What is that, Caroline?
Phone.
Caroline, what is that?
Phone.
A headphone.
Headphone.
Right.
Try ears.
Put on your ears.
Yeah.
What did you do?
My turn. My turn now.
Oh, is it your turn now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
You have to wait.
No, my turn.
Hold on. Give Caroline a second.
Wait your turn, Lady Lou.
Caroline,
Let
tell
Daddy help
Daddy
you.
what those are.
No,
What
no,
are
no,
those?
No, let Daddy help.
The other.
What are those?
No.
What is that? Caroline, tell Daddy what it is.
Money.
Hold on.
I'll try it. My.
Okay, Livy's turn. Okay, Livy, hold out your head.
Try it.
Hold out your head. Oh, Liney, baby.
Liney.
You have to share.
No, my turn. It's my turn.